listen. Imagine you're a conductor. You have all these 100 different instruments in front of you, and you give sign to your basses. 1. No, it didn't sound it. Papa. Lower a little bit wrist. Again, this limits fingers action. We need fingertips here. No, it has to stand. Think of the flute. Cello. Whole orchestra, right? Let's try once more with pedal. What about preparation? You are a conductor and you are the orchestra. Okay? So it's really, really important to imagine it and to prepare, to think through. Short pedal. No, it didn't stand out. It was the same. It really has to shine through. 1, 2, 1. Pedal. Let's do a little bit pedal here. Yeah.